Okay, this is the last subcategory of past tense, clear, that is past perfect continuous tense, clear. Past perfect continuous tense and past perfect tense, they are somehow same, clear, but the very difference is what in the past tense we focus on the completion. In past perfect continuous tense we focus on the continuation, clear. Here the action was in progress, that was happening, but in past perfect tense the action was happened before another action, clear. So this video is also going to be a bit longer, so you will have to watch the video completely, clear, but hopefully the video will be easier and it will make your confusion clear. Okay, so now look, past perfect continuous tense shows two actions, clear. When the first action was in progress, now look, it was not happened, clear. When the first action was in progress before another action, means in this tense also shows two actions. When the first action was that was in progress, that was happening, clear, that was not happened but that was happening, clear. Then the second action, look, the first action is shown by past perfect continuous tense, and the second action is shown by simple past tense, clear. So now come to the structure for past perfect continuous tense. For past perfect continuous tense, we first use subject, then had, then been, then verb ing and rest of the sentence. For negative, first we use subject, then we use had, then not is adverb of negation, clear, then been, then verb ing and rest of the sentence. For interrogative, first we use had, then we use subject, then we use been, then we use verb ing and rest of the sentence. For negative interrogative, we first use had, then we use subject, then we use not, then been, then verb ing and rest of the sentence. Is that clear? So these are the structures for past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. Okay. Now, so in the definition, I told to you that past perfect continuous tense was used to show two actions, clear. When the first action was in progress, that was in progress, and the second action is shown by simple past tense, clear. So now look, before simple past, as I said, simple past tense shows the second action, then past perfect continuous tense shows the first action, clear. Then when simple past, second action, and past perfect continuous tense, first action. Then after again second action and past perfect. Okay, this is first action. Okay, because it's a past perfect continuous tense, it's past perfect continuous tense, so this one shows first action. And we always use past perfect continuous tense and past perfect tense in the previous tense, as we studied, clear. Past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense are always used with the conjunction after and with the conjunction before, and when we always use simple past tense, clear, in past perfect continuous tense as well as in past perfect tense, clear. Then do not forget to use comma, clear, between the two sentences. Then simple past tense. If you want to change the position, you may also use past perfect continuous tense or past perfect tense first, and then you will have to use simple past tense, clear. Then we do not use conjunction, if we do not use comma. If the conjunction comes between the two sentences or two tenses, we are not supposed to use comma anymore. Is that clear? Okay, now come to the examples before, and keep one thing more in your mind. In this tense, I mean past perfect continuous tense, we use since and for. Since and for, clear. I have already told to you in present perfect tense, clear. In present perfect continuous tense, why do we use since and why do we use for? Since shows the starting point and for shows the duration. Is that clear? So here, if you show the starting point of the action that was happening, you may use since. And when you show when you want to show the duration of the action that was happening, that was in progress, you may use for, clear. Before the bus comes, before the bus came, I had been waiting for 2 hours. Now look, this action is the first action that was happening, means I was happening for the bus, clear, when the bus came, means this action of waiting was happening, it took just a bit time. Is it clear? Then the second action happened, clear. Look, before the bus came, This is the second action, means the bus came late. Before before the bus coming, we had been waiting for the bus. Look, before the bus came, I had been waiting for 2 hours. Now look, I used for. It shows the duration. 2 hour means duration. Then when the teacher started the lecture, is it clear? Second action. The students had been waiting since morning, means the action of waiting was happening first. Clear? Then the teacher started the lecture, means the action of waiting for the lecture was happening since morning. Is it clear? Since shows the starting point, then the teacher started the lecture. Clear? So this was the last subcategory of past tense, and that is past perfect continuous tense. I hope you may get something new from this tense. Clear? And I try my level best to explain this in the easiest way. Clear? Similarly, if you have any type of confusion, you just drop me a message. I can explain that to you. Clear? Thank you so much.